Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dream and today we're going to transform this pair of pants and this top. Can you guess the price of it? The pant retails for 3,300 rupees, almost 3,000 का एक पैंट, okay? And the top retails for 700 to 800 rupees. And the total would be 4,000 rupees. मतलब 4,000 की एक जोड़ी, just a pair of pants and top in 4,000. Anyways, so I'm here to show you how you can make this in a cheaper version. So let's begin. I just cut off this thing from the pocket as it was looking very weird. Now if you want the same pattern as shown in the picture, then make a straight cut in the front. I decided to make the pattern on the sides. It is always according to your wish. I decided to open up the sides till my knees. You will need this type of hooks. It will come in two parts, front and back. Place them and with the help of a marker, mark it. I just randomly place them. You can also place them at a particular measured distance. With scissors, make a hole big enough for sliding it in. Place it and close it with the back. And with this tool, secure it with a hammer. Once you have completed one side, copy it to other side as well and repeat the process. Take some ribbon and lace it up. One side should be black and white and other should be white and pink. I chose the different ribbons on both the sides so it looked colorful and as it was also shown in the picture. Moving on to the top, remove the sleeves and save it for later. Cut off according to the length you want. This is what it should look like after placing together. Close down the button areas. To add the elastic, fold ½ inch first and then fold according to the size of your elastic. Close it with a straight stitch and don't forget to leave a small opening for inserting the elastic. With the help of a safety pin, insert your elastic and close the ends. Now for the sleeves, cut off this part and close any opening. Take a thin elastic at the narrow part of your sleeves and repeat the process. And also don't forget to hem the other side of your sleeves by double folding it. Once everything is ready, with a needle and thread, hand stitch the sleeves to the top. And you're done. Video. Now the complete outfit cost me around 320 rupees. We can consider as 350 rupees if we round off the amount. Now just imagine 4,000 rupees and 350 rupees. I think I did a very good job in this. Let me know what do you think about it in the comment section below. Also do follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and until next time, dream. Bye. Can you imagine the amount of things I can do in 4,000 rupees?